Hi, this is Aiden N Rizen's Toy Unboxing channel, and today we're going to be unboxing Playskool Heroes Transformers Rescue Bots, and it's for ages 3 to 7, and this is it's two modes, robot to race car, and this is Bumblebee
and Blaze.
And there's two modes for this, robot to helicopter, and this is Blade's the flight bot.
Flight bot? A flight bot. Flight bot? A flight bot. Huh?
So let's begin. We did one video earlier in the past for Chase and who's this?
Dozer.
Dozer?
Yeah.
Dozer?
Yeah.
It's not Dozer. I don't know.
It's Boulder.
Oh, Boulder, I think. For Boulder and Chase.
Yeah.
He's a police car, and he's a dump truck.
And Aiden, much better one. This one, like, much better one. Can transform easily.
My favorite now is Blades, because he's a helicopter and everybody else is like a car, a land vehicle. Rizen, who do you like?
Chase.
Chase is your favorite?
Yeah, Aiden.
No, but who's your favorite?
And mine.
I want one.
No.
So please like, share, and subscribe to Aiden N Rizen's Toy Unboxing channel. Bye.
Bye.
No.
It's mine. It's mine.